Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. Today we're going to do our daily technical analysis, updated commodities, work our way through the dollar, yields, precious metals, and commodities ETFs that I follow. I'll interject my financial opinions as we go through it together. If you need help with anything, check out finding-value.com. We've got that special coupon code in the corner there. You can use that for both the monthly and yearly memberships if you're interested in signing up. We do have a midweek update that's been released. You can see what my opinions are about individual companies, what I think is a good opportunity and whatnot. And that's all available right now. So let's dive in today, see what's going on in the markets. Looking at the DXY, again, I think we are doing a retest, potentially a retest move. Other people are betting that this is going to fall lower, but we do have a squeeze and a breakout of this trend line. So I'm of the kind that thinks we could still go higher in the short term. Yields would be the driver of that. And yields are heading higher. We were up 1.33. And this is important to watch because if we break through, yeah, and I know this, I don't know why, sometimes this comes down a little bit, but if we break through that downtrend there, we could go higher. And this pattern there was almost like it's set shoulder, head, shoulder, ready to break. And then all of a sudden we come back. You know what else came back at the same exact time here? Oil did. You know what else happened? Trump was tweeting on Twitter. The Dissent was saying we want to hold under, hold rates down. It's kind of interesting that this occurred right there. Anyway, 10-year yield, that's also sitting on top of patterns. That looks good to go higher. We were up 0.83% today. And the 30-year was up 0.5. And again, we're sitting on top of structures. That is all bullish to go higher. Bond prices are down, and we're down 0.58% today. And the longer term, guys, this looks like total garbage. I mean, this is your top of like a 40, 45-year bull market. We're heading lower. We could get a reversal move. It's possible. But I don't think it's going to be a new bull market. I think the bull market's done. So anything that we get would just be a temporary move in the up direction. The bigger, longer term is down. 2 and 10, we inverted a little bit more today, 0.5. We're breaking through this top resistance level. This looks good to go higher. So the people who think that rates are going to go lower, I don't know. I mean, we'll see. This looks like to me that we're going to go into an inflationary, could be inflationary times where yields go up. And the yield curve goes up too and gets reinverted. Q by X TNX ratio is down today, so no tailwind behind gold today in terms of, well, dollar's down slightly, but yields are up and yield curve is up, and this is down. Gold, right at trying to break out. We did get a little bit more selling pressure today. Is that a reversal candlestick? I don't know. Let's wait and see. We're seeing a lot of weird crap going on, almost like people are trying to prevent things from breaking out. Crude oil, maybe even gold here. I don't know. But we were down $42. We'll see what happens if there's follow through with it or not. But we're at resistance. We got resistance. And we'll see if that overpowers the strength of the longer term uptrend line. Silver is up slightly. And again, I think we're in an uptrend here. So I'm not going to say too much with these guys. It's up. It's going up. That's still intact. Platinum down a little bit. We've got a rising wedge. It could fall out of this in the short term, have a little bit of a pullback. But again, I'm in the camp that this is going to go higher over the longer term. It's broken out of the big patterns. The big pattern is that guy there. So yeah, you get a breakout. Yeah, you get a return move. What does this return move look like? And then we go higher. Palladium's heading higher, 1.4. That still looks good. It's broken out of this big bottom here, the double bottom, booty bottom. There's your booty there, sitting down. That looks good. XDU to gold ratio is up 0.15. And again, this is so ludicrous down here. Just what I would do and what I've done is I've taken positions all through here. I'm just going to sit and wait. Whenever silver breaks out and gold keeps going up, this will could work its way back up here. If that occurs, the outperformance of miners would be dramatic. So GDX is down a little bit today, down 1.12%, right at kind of 52-week highs. We're way up there, but that looks good. We're trying to break out, and it's a small red candlestick. Looks good to go higher. GDXJ, same setup. SILJ, same setup. We're just underneath a little bit of resistance. SILJ will bust out of this launching pad. We've got crude oil up 0.24%. This is just delayed behind copper and gold and silver. It'll break and move on higher. We're starting to see positioning in some of the equities today, at least, which is a good sign. So we're up a little bit in crude oil. TTF gas, this still has to work through some stuff. We had some, I'll say, non-ideal weather for cooling season. So a little bit weaker on TTF, a little bit weaker on nat gas. And again, this is bearish, guys. This is bearish to go lower. Be careful with the natural gas companies. And do not listen to Eric Nuttall. Like, I hear a lot of people, well, he needs to do stuff. No, he messed up. He went into natural gas at the wrong time. He should have been buying oil. That's my opinion. Our boy XOP, yeah, you know me, heading up 0.7% or so today. Looks good. Looks good. OIH up massively at 5.5%. This looks like it's trying to work its way on up. This was energy service down here, guys, was such a good deal. It is still a good deal. But I mean, the individual companies, they look fantastic. But they've all bottomed and they're starting to head higher. And this is, once we get through here, that's basically, I mean, this is looking a lot better. We've got Newcastle coal futures down slightly, but again, we'll work our way on up. It's a retest. We've got Sprott Physical Uranium Trust doing a retest right now. Yes, it will go up. It looks good. We can see we're squeezing kind of into that corner there. Yes, it's going to break higher. Yes, I would buy it here. Yes, yes, yes. Uranium futures pricing up a little bit today. Again, it's just close this gap. We're probably going to turn around here at some point. URA getting some pretty good buying pressure, up 2.5%. There we are. Looking good, uptrend intact. And then URNM up 0.85 and URNJ up 0.18. And again, we broke in the downtrend. Up, 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 up. Should be thinking about bearish thoughts right here. It's all should be bullish. There's no reversals, no patterns, no topping patterns, no reversal candlesticks in any of them. Nickel's up 0.24. I'd like to see some follow through here. This could be a bottom right where we're at in nickel, breaking through that downtrend. It looks good. Now, would I fire away down here? Me, I would. Yeah, I would. Of course I would. What are you going to wait for? You know, wait for someone to come and smack you in the face and wait for some large up candlestick that looks like that? Oh, maybe I'll chase it up here. No, no, no. No, no, no. Down here's good. We just broke a little downtrend. We're good. So I think we'll probably start to see this work its way on up. Do you see strength in other commodities here? Yeah, we do. I'm just trying to see if there's like a falling wedge going on here if you kind of look at it from this perspective there. So yeah, it looks good. We've got copper up 1.9, and again, I think this is going to continue its way on up. Not every day. We may have a pullback or something. We got a little bit of selling pressure here, but again, I don't know the path. We had a little squeeze there, a breakout. Could we go down? Could we get a big up candlestick that breaks through this resistance? We can get whatever. But when it's sitting on top of stuff like this, guys, bullish. Stay bullish. Don't be. I'm not going to sit here. Oh, I'll take profits at 580. No, let it go. Let it go. COPX up 0.91. This is going to be probably a very big move that we're going to see in COPX. Notice the structure of this decline. All right, so you get a falling wedge type pattern here. And draw it like this. A little bit of a false breakdown. You get a big double bottom. You break out. This is your ideal entry point for people who wait. If you know what you're doing, this would be the ideal entry point. And now we are working our way on. And we're entering potentially a very big bull market with copper sitting on top of its pattern. Lithium down slightly today, and that's going to happen. You know, we're going to have some down days, but uptrend intact. REMX down 1%, uptrend intact. It looks beautiful. There we are. Now, could we get a reversal back there? Get a little bit of a retest? We could. So don't get shaken if we get that. And again, this is the same pattern as the downtrend of copper and a double bottom. We got iron ore. This thing's ready to just unleash the beast. Good, nice little uptrend there. We've broken through the downtrend. Now we just wait. Let the beast get unleashed here. Aluminum right underneath 2650. That's what we want to break. We break that, we go to the promised land. Baltic Dry Index up 1%. That just keeps going up. We've broken out of the pattern. It looks good. And that's going to also be further evidence that iron ore is going to break and coal is going to go higher. People are starting to position. Emerging markets up 1%. It likes the weaker dollar. If we continue to get a weaker dollar, this is going to lay it on. It's going to go. It's going to rip if we keep getting weaker dollar. Now, in the short term, maybe the dollar strengthens a little bit before we get weaker. Tough to say. What would I do? I'd stay in this thing, stay long. That's what I would do. Move up 1.93%. I'd stay long here. The structure is here. Broken structure, retest. I buy the retest. Now I'm up. Now I'm living life. Everything's a-okay. And then some people say, oh, it's much easier to hold on if you're up a lot. Yeah, okay. You must not have ever been up a lot. It's not easier. It's the same thing. But yes, this looks good. KRE, we are sideways today, but still looks good. It's consolidating sideways. That's going to go up. It's a bullish formation, flag pattern for the most part. It could be pennant, it could be flag. It doesn't really matter. Small selling pressure up here is a consolidation. XHB up 1%. Looks good to go higher. We got the Russell up 1.5. Looks good to go higher. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Almost looks like another shoulder head shoulder going on there. That'd be crazy if that broke to the upside. We get a big up move off that. SPX up. That's at all-time highs. That's cruising. The NASDAQ is up, coming up to some resistance. We'll see if we can bust through some of this stuff. Dow Jones Transportation Index breaking higher, which had a bullish formation to do that. The industrial sector breaking new all-time highs, 1.77 up. That's looking strong, very strong. SMCI is up above support, looking good to go higher. Nvidia higher. It's all higher, guys. Bitcoin's down a little bit. It's going to go higher. So this is our consolidation. It's going to break and move up. Ethereum down 4.4%. Oh, what's going on there? Kind of some stronger selling pressure. We'll see if there's any follow through with it. MicroStrategy's down 3.22. This is kind of an ugly looking setup. A little bit of reversal there, but we did get follow through on that inverted flag pattern. The VIX is down 6.85%. That's heading lower. So that's starting to break through some support to the downside. So go Team Descent. Way to knock it down. And that's all I've got for today. So give me a thumb up for the content. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website if you like. We do have a question and answer session coming up on Sunday at 5 p.m. Mountain Time. All right, guys. We'll catch you later. This is Finding Value.